Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add neon swing to video in Capcut. So here I'm using Capcut for PC, and for example I'm going to add this video to the clip, and then how to add neon swing, just click effect and you can click party effect and looking for neon swing here. Just drag here and just for duration, and you can adjust for the glow and speed. Okay, just click play button for the result. Okay, just simple. That's how to add neon swing to video in CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciation. And share. Thanks. Bye bye.